In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a step in Zapier. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust your automations or clean up your workflow, you'll find this tutorial particularly helpful. Whether you're new to Zapier or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step so you can manage your zaps like a pro. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Zapier's website. If you haven't already signed into your account, take a moment to enter your login details and access your dashboard. If Zapier is a tool you frequently use, you might already have a few zaps created. If not, don't worry, I'll cover both scenarios. Once you're logged in, take a look around. If you're starting fresh, locate the Create button, which you'll typically find in the top navigation menu. Click on it, and then select Zaps from the drop-down menu. This is where you set up your automations, and if you need to delete a step, you'll find yourself in this section. Now, if you're managing existing zaps, you'll see a list of them on your dashboard. Click on the zap you want to edit. This will open up the workflow you're already working on, and it's here you can make the necessary changes. Navigating a zap might seem a little complex at first, but it's essentially a step-by-step sequence of tasks that Zapier will run for you. Typically, you'll see an array of steps laid out in a vertical column. What you'll want to do next is locate the specific step you wish to delete. Hover over it, and you'll notice an ellipsis, which usually appears as 3 small dots either to the right of the step or in a drop-down menu depending on the layout. Click on the ellipsis to reveal more options. Among them, you'll see the Delete option. Go ahead and click on Delete. When you do this, Zapier may prompt you to confirm that you indeed want to remove the step. Just follow the confirmation process, and in moments, the step will be gone. Remember, this action is permanent, so ensure you truly wish to remove this element from your workflow. Deleting a step doesn't necessarily mean you're losing all your work. Instead, it often means simplifying or correcting your automation to better meet your needs. By following these simple steps, you can tailor your zaps more effectively, ensuring they work perfectly for your needs. Whether you're streamlining business operations or personal tasks, Zapier is an invaluable tool to have under your belt. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.